Welcome to the Jam Factory, London, Bermondsey. Here you'll find the award-winning industrial conversion. The Jam Factory was originally built in 1890 and converted into high-end apartments in 2003. There are now over 200 homes in the 4 buildings of the sought-after Jam Factory complex. The imposing buildings and the towering chimney all still bearing the name of the Hartley Jam Factory. This property comes with its own courtyard inside its own gated community with a 24-hour concierge service and underground parking for all residents. Come on, let's go and have a look inside.
So this apartment is set on the 4th floor and measures over 1,000 square foot. This particularly spacious 2-bedroom apartment offers a mix of industrial features and a contemporary style. Wall-to-wall windows flood the room with natural light. They also offer an attractive outlook with far-reaching views across London. So my personal favourite about this property is this open-plan kitchen area. It's been stylishly presented and offers the perfect entertaining space. This stunning property has 2 double bedrooms and both bedrooms offer their own en-suites.
The Jam Factory is located on Green Walk, just off Tower Bridge Road, which offers a number of fantastic coffee shops, wine bars and restaurants. We are only a 10-minute walk from London and Tower Bridge and just a 15-minute walk to the city. This really is a fantastic home and would be great for an investment or for those looking for city living.